In today's video, I'll teach you how to find your order history on Facebook. First of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. So if you want to find your order history, what you have to do is tap on the menu icon that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the menu over here. Simply scroll down. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for orders and payments. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to access all the orders and payments over here. What you have to do is simply find this section for payment information. Right over here, you'll not be able to find the direct option for order history. But what you have to do is tap on this option, subscriptions. So if you have placed the order and if you have paid for it, you'll be able to see it over here. So like this, you'll be able to find your order history. So that is how you find your order history on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.